Are you familiar with March Madness?
No. What is it?
So March Madness is like during the month of March. Like there's like the college basketball. All of the colleges actually compete against each other during the month of March, like during like the final playoffs, and to see like which college is going to win. And it's actually huge in the US. Like everybody's watching and betting on games and yada yada. And so for us, it works really well because salespeople are very competitive. And so like one of the plays that we did, and it's kind of like people should think about this as in terms of an analogy, because there's like other things that you can do. But you can actually get access to people's alma mater, right, in the US. So I know whether you went to Berkeley or to Stanford, right? And so I know that Stanford, for example, is going to play against Caltech in their first game. So I reach out to the people from Caltech that are VPs of sales, and they reach out to the people that are from Berkeley that are VPs of sales. And I just tell them, hey, like March Madness is just around the corner. Notice that you went to Berkeley. Look, if Berkeley wins the next game against Caltech, I'll give you $50, no questions asked. But if they lose, you need to come with me on a call. And you know what? People are like, some people don't reply, but some people just say deal. And then, okay, cool. Like, I'll give you $50 if they win, but if they don't, like, you come with me on the call. And people they really do that. And so if you filter that across, and then like what we do is, you can imagine Berkeley in the bracket. Berkeley wins against Caltech. Now Berkeley is going to play Stanford. And the person from Berkeley did not reply to me. And now I'm saying, hey, Andre, like you didn't reply. You lost $50. Now I raise it $100 if Berkeley wins against Stanford. No questions asked, or you come with me on a call. And those
That's
things,
really
like,
cool.
yeah, that's pretty. Like people really like they get like really excited about these plays, and that's like a cool play that we did in March that people were just like really engaging with a lot. That was like an interesting one. It's not easy to execute, but it's pretty cool one. And you can think about this for anything, right?